Put your head on my shoulder.
Y'all know I gotta get this intro in. What's good, boo boo kitties? It's the girl, the guy's name, 5 4 head king. You know what I'm saying? I'm back with another video teaching you how to edit and flex and slay all on your iPhone 8. All on your iPhone 8. Whew, I'm trying to say the intro real fast before it goes to this first clip. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna break down real quick and efficiently so that you can do this snap transition. First clip, you're gonna record yourself walking with your first outfit and just snapping. Boom. Second clip, second outfit, snap in front and walk backwards and do whatever you like. Now, boo boo kitty, we are going to open up the Video Leap app. I don't want y'all to create this transition or this video on TikTok because it can be a little difficult for us millennials who aren't very familiar with video editing, and I want to make this as simplified as possible. So we're going to open Video Leap and you're going to import both clips that you just recorded, baby girl. So the first clip of you walking with your first outfit, you are going to crop it at a particular place, and I'm going to show you exactly where to crop it. This is what you do with every single snap transition. Okay, I always cut my clip at this part. Let me show you. You're going to drag the clip until your fist is like so, about to come down. Not here, here. Not here, here. Not here, not here, here. Okay? Cover your face. We're going to clip that and then we're going to delete it. Now, an easier way to do this, I'm going to undo it. Easiest way to do this is just to tap the clip that you would like to shorten and drag it on back. Okay? So boom, we got the first part out the way. Now, we want it to be a continuous snap, right? Now, keep in mind exactly where you've placed your fist because you want it to be fluid. Okay? All right, low power mode. Dang. You want it to be fluid. So this is the last clip, right? Keep this in mind. So now the second clip, you are going to make sure that your fist is just a tad bit more down. It's great if you get your fist to cover the entire screen, and if not, it's still going to work because it happens so fast that the human eye isn't going to be able to recognize. They won't know. Oh, they're gonna know. They won't know. So now let's see. Boom! First try, and that's it. That's all you do. That's all you do. That's all you do. Don't complicate it. All you gotta do is just make sure that the last clip matches the next. And if you enjoyed this video, boo boo kitties, I'm about to have y'all TikToks litty for the summertime. You heard? Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see y'all on the other side of the pocket camera. Bye.